Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making TGI Friday's Jack Daniel chicken strips. For our ingredients we have chicken breast, all-purpose flour, panko breadcrumbs, sesame seeds, paprika, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, eggs, and buttermilk. And we have our Jack Daniel sauce. You want to slice your chicken tenders lengthwise in half. Okay, so in one of our bowls, we're going to add our breading ingredients, which is our flour, our panko breadcrumbs, sesame seeds, paprika, salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. And we're going to stir that together. Next, in another bowl, we're going to add our eggs and our buttermilk, and we're going to beat that together. So what we're going to do here, we're going to add our chicken into our panko breading mix, and then we're going to add it into our egg mixture, into our breadcrumb mixture. And then we're just going to set it on our wire rack, and we're going to continue to do that until all our chicken is done. And once your chicken is done, we're going to set our chicken to the side, and we're going to heat up our oil. And you want to make sure that your oil is at least 350 degrees. You want to heat your oil up to 350 degrees. We're going to add our chicken strips, and you want to fry your chicken anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes or until it is golden brown and cook through. You want to flip the chicken over halfway so that the other side can brown also. And you want to repeat this step with any remaining chicken strips. I fried anywhere from 4 to 5 chicken strips at a time. You don't want to overcrowd your pot. And when I take my chicken out of my oil, I just set them back onto a wire rack so that they can cool just a little bit. Now, just before serving, you want to add your chicken to a large mixing bowl, and you want to drizzle your sauce on the top of our chicken strips and toss to combine. This sauce tastes just like TGI Friday's Jack Daniel sauce. It was delicious. Me and my family loves to go to TGI Fridays, and this is one of our favorite items that is on the menu. So I decided to make it at home. We have made Jack Daniel chicken strips. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.